we're gonna replace this light fixture with something like this. Alright guys, I removed this one, just unscrewed these 3 screws with the hand. If not, it has a Phillips head. You can do it with the screwdriver. This one right here. Okay, next step is to turn off the light. Okay, there we go. And I can remove, there's 2 screws over here. I'll loosen them. Careful, the bulb might be still hot. This one is fine. It's warmish. Okay, just twist, pull down. Here's the surprise. You have to loosen them up. Twist on the left side. Okay. Tighten it back for safety. This is the ground. And put this all the way back. Okay. Alright, and this one. Okay. It is also a good idea to change the screws. Okay. This is the new light fixture. See, it comes with the 2 screws. So they're about an inch distance, so we have to leave an inch, about an inch. So when we put the new ones in, don't have to tighten it all the way, just like that. Okay. On this fixture here, we have to unloosen these. They have a name, but I'll just say these. Still learning. Okay, get the lid off. Get this off. It's LED. Okay. We can put the screws on the first 2 or on the last 2. In this case, it's the first 2. And here's like 300K, 400K. I'm sorry, 3,000K, 4,000K, 5,000K. We'll leave it at 3,000. Homeowner said they don't want it too bright, so this is the right brightness for them. Okay. All right. Let's see. Wires now. It could be a simple DIY project for you guys. But you know, if you never did something like this, please contact an electrician. You know, you don't want anything to happen. All right. Okay. Tighten it very good. Once you tighten it up, you can also put the tape, the electrical tape around this to secure it. All right, one more. On this one, I like to wrap it around a couple times. Okay, and bring it to a level here. It's flush, see? All the wire has to be flush. And then put this on. Tighten very well. All right. There we go. Push it in the box. These wires are very hard. Okay. Let's see here. One screw is in. Find the other one. Let's see. Okay. Okay. There you go. All right. Now tighten gently so it won't crack. Tighten so it'll be flush over here. Okay, make sure it won't wobble, you know. The box was a little bit pulled, so that's why it leaves this space here. And it's like max. It's pretty sturdy though. It won't come down, it's sturdy. Okay. Now, just like that. Final step. All right. Number one. All right. Number two. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna test it now. And there was light. There we go. We got one there and one over here. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are not a follower, please follow. Put a like to help my channel out. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless. Forgot to smile.